Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the impacts of COVID-19 on education industry. The COVID-19 pandemic is first and foremost health crisis. The pandemic is expected to have a huge impact on global education. Many countries have decided to close schools, colleges and universities. According to the latest figures released by UNESCO, some 1.3 billion learners around the world were not able to attend school or university as of March 23, 2020. The crisis crystallizes the dilemma policymakers are facing between closing the schools or keeping them open. The severe short-term disruption is felt by many families around the world. Homeschooling is not only a massive shock to parents' productivity but also to children's social life and learning. Importantly, these interruptions will not just be a short-term issue but can have a long-term consequences for the affected cohorts and are likely to increase inequality. How COVID is impacting school-level students. Going to school is the best public policy tool available to raise skills. While school time can be fun and can raise social skills and awareness, the primary point of being in school is that it increases a child's ability. Even a relatively short time in school does this. But can we estimate how much the COVID-19 interruption will affect learning? Not very precisely, as we are in a new world, but we can use other studies to get an order of magnitude. Now we'll know how does COVID-19 impacts after school studies. The careers of this year's university graduates may be severely affected by COVID-19. They have experienced major teaching interruptions in the final part of their studies. They are experiencing major interruptions in their assessments, and finally they are likely to graduate at the beginning of major global recession. Evidence suggests that poor market condition at labor market entry cause workers to accept lower paid jobs, and this has permanent effects for the careers of the some. Now we'll know how does COVID-19 impacts the assessments. The closure of schools, colleges and universities not only interrupts the teaching for students around the world, the closure also coincides with the key assessment period and many exams have been postponed or cancelled. Student assessments are moving online with a lot of trial and error and uncertainty for everyone. The point of assessments is to give information about the child's progress for families and teachers. The loss of this information delays the recognition of both high potential and learning difficulties and can have harmful long-term consequences for the child. To end the video, I would like to say close to 1 billion people are still locked down after the coronavirus outbreak brought life around the world to a virtual standstill. The pandemic is expected to have enormous economic consequences and it is also having a devastating impact on global education. It is also possible that some students' career might benefit from the interruptions. The global lockdown of education institutions is going to cause major interruptions in students' learning. What can be done to mitigate these negative impacts? Need resources to rebuild the loss in learning once they reopen again. Given the evidences of importance of assessments for learning institutions should also consider postponing rather than skipping internal assessments. For new graduates, policies should support their entry to the labor market to avoid longer unemployment periods. Thank you for watching.